Hey yo, what's up? It's your boys Presley lah. Welcome back. Selamat datang baru ke channel aku. Nama aku Presley lah. Untuk kita baru dalam channel tu, macam biasa guys, tekan like-nya dulu, tekan subscribe-nya, and then we ready to go. Okay, so disclaimer, tau ke peringatan dulu. Sehari tu aku akan kena English Iban. So, you know, para pengajar Iban, tau ke guru Iban, tau ke orang ke sigi kak ni Iban aja. I'm sorry this video is not for you. So, aku mari kita satu saat untuk keluar sebab aku akan kena English Iban saat itu. Okay, so if you still here, so it means you're ready to go with me. Alright guys, so saat itu nama tekan gagak aku akan uji main game. Ia benung viral, ia benung famous. Tahu ke game tu sebenarnya udah lama. Okay, bala kabanku pun main udah recommend game tu ke aku. Hanya di Among Us. I don't know how you pronounce it, but Among Us, okay? So basically this game nanti di imposter, maksudnya dia mesti perlu bunuh orang. And then nanti di crewmate, dia perlu ngagak task atau ke pengawal untuk digagak di dalam gamenya. So kita mesti ngigak siapa imposter dalam tim kita, tak ke siapa pembunuh yang serai. So, ni buku kam cukup menyo guys. Ni buku mau masa lagi aram kita. Okay. I'm gonna use this so I can hear it, guys. Habis sebenarnya guys, sebenarnya. Let's drink first. Mulai, hai terselamat. Lama. Aku main dari ASMR tu. Padahal lah. Nanti orang ASMR perlu hidup ketau. Alright, so without further ado, let's go to the game. By the way, aku agak baru main tu. Alright, first we must go to online kah? Create game, public, find game, enter name. Oh, kita perlu nulis nama dulu guys. Kan ni nulis nama tu. Oh, okay. So, nama. Let's put on PewDiePie.
How's it going, bros? My name is PewDiePie.
Alright, let's find the game. Oh, dito kita bisa main game. Says ada English imposter ini. How about this one? We are in guys. Okay, so kita udah dalam game. Oh, they chatting. What they said? Oh, they said, "Hi, aku Iban." Bisa orang Iban kini. What? Hello? I know this chat because I saw one game from ada YouTuber empu, so saya tak bisa main tu kak. So aku pernah bedak saya main. Crewmate, there was one. So maksudnya kita perlu ngagak task. Okay, kita perlu tadi aku ke controller tu kak control ke mouse keyboard. How about I use mouse keyboard? Can I? It's more easier like this. Is this? How are we gonna use it? Nama tak perlu gagak tau. Oh, this is the imposter. Okay. Oh, emergency meeting. So emergency meeting tu kita perlu ngigak siapa imposternya. Psycho. I don't know yet. What should we do? Aku ngai jai guys, sahabat laban. Aku nak nama siapa? Who is killed? Please tell. How can tell you? Sorry guys, aku lambat mimik buat typing tu. Noob bro. You know what I'm saying? Orang dah vote makin. Oh, so aku perlu vote. You know, let's go with pink. Because I hate pink. Oh, bisa masa ya. Voting end in 34:33. Alright. Okay, so ya bisa masa ya dito guys. Malamak mo to. Nama siya to. Green, hi big fan. Oh, that's not the real PewDiePie. People thought, I might not, I might be. Okay, what's happened here? No one was ejected, Thai. So guys, we should go to apa tu patut gagak kita tu. This is the map, right? Okay, so is it mean I need to go dulu ke BC tu ke BC tu ke? Tahu nak kuning tu. Fix light. Oh, yang mana itu fix light. So I need to open the light. Where is tempat the fix light? I think the blue is a bit Alright, we need to do the task, guys. Oh, pink is dead. Aku asalnya biru, guys. I think it's blue. I think yellowish. Not me. Yeah, but not me, guys. Should we trust him? I might think it's blue. Kini kan ada mansak dalam bahasa putih. Lupa aku. Cause I mansak blue just now. Cause I saw blue pass. Is it pass or my English? Pink. Then pink died. Who is the imposter, guys? We don't know. Maybe think it's blue. Let's see. Oh, Julia, I'm so sorry.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Dia perlu anang percaya ke orang. Dia mesti kat betul-betul, you know what I'm saying? Kenapa pintu tutup? Guys? Pintu tutup, guys. Wait. Is it white? Is it white? Refuel station. Oh, okay. Okay, it's not yellow. It looks like, what is white doing? Itu aku kena. Okay, I use this. Ini semua orang tu. Mana ada orang? Do I heard someone? Is it the footstep? I saw one video orang berdito. So aku kat try duduk berdito ataupun ngantik dito. Oh, I know it's white. I know it's white. Oh, I know it's white, bro. I know it's white. Oh my god. The game started, guys. I'm the imposter. This is gonna be great, guys. It's gonna be great. This is what I like, guys. Right, so kita jadi imposter. So pengawal imposter tu kita perlu bunuh orang. Kita perlu bunuh orang, tapi dia mesti kak pandai-pandai belalai orang. Let's try kill someone, guys. Okay, Lionel. We cannot kill people like easily, guys. We must careful. See that? There's a lot of people over there. One here. Run. Where should I go? Should we kill? What is sabotage? Dead body reported. Oh, shit. Tinggal aja deh, nama tinggal 3 aja deh. What? What happened? Let's play again. Nak puas hati. I'm not puas hati. Please give me the imposter. Memahami sedikit game tu. Sorry, nama aku menjadikan. Jangan wahat. Oh, nak sempat pula. Okay, let's go to the next game. This time we're gonna. I think my line is low. Sayang tak tadi. This is Malay, I think. Tengok aku Yahoo. Pam 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 pam. Masa tinggi kau je dah. Ni dah keluar tak? Habis orang. Sabar, Abah. Tak tu, nan mu sabar. Mau take keluar. Sabarlah. Bisa 10 orang dah. So, let's go to the game. Come on, give me the imposter, please. Give me the imposter. Imposter for the second time. I'm gonna kill this blood, white very fast. What happened, bro? Brown, it's brown, bro, it's brown. I vote red. Ooh. Ini mana red? I sus red. Let's see. No. Come on guys, let's do our job. Okay, kita perlu ingat orang guys. Kita perlu ingat sama untuk di kill. Okay, kita perlu ingat orang dulu guys. Kalau orang nemu kita kini. Tapi masalah tetap jalan ikut. Nama jalan ikut. Come on lah, jack diri lah. Punan mah. Masih ada orang. That fast? Who is it? It might be either two of you. We must play step perlu kak. Dia perlu nak tahu untax. Ngena untax. Ngena nama? Untax. Vote for me then. Oh, aku lupa vote. Oh, tapi ya kenal. One imposter remain. Let's see who is it. Purple, why do you stop just now? When I was coming inside security, red vent. Oh shit! Not me, we lose. Stop lying. Is it me or? Oh! Like and subscribe.